Yo, what is up, guys? Today I am here and we are playing a very cool role-playing game. It is called, let's see, Dragon Ball Z Roleplay Vegeta and Goku Black Update. Now, this is a very cool role-playing game because you can actually choose your characters, and it's really fun that you can just roleplay with people. Oh gosh, this is the guy who kicked me last time. Oh, he's apologizing. Oh, yeah. He's nice. He just, like, kicked me. Because I just kept on talking like this, like what I'm doing in the chat, like every first letter, capitalize. Speaking about Phantom Forces now. Let's just see what he has to say, and then we can move on with the video. Oh, yeah, it's an admin that I met. Just ignore the sound. It's in the background. It's my cats playing around. Yeah, sadly, whenever I was fighting in this so-called role-playing tournament, like he literally just flung me off the stage, and I was like, oh my gosh. He kicked me. Wait, I already told you guys. He just kicked me because I kept on capitalizing every single letter of the beginning of any word. What any wish. I wanted a mod so bad. Okay. Based on my spelling, just got me something like what I can get from a moderator. Oh my gosh. It's a Goku mod on the random stage. He said, oh my god. What? But you can only use it once. Okay. Okay. And this is cool. Wow. I'm trying to fly as fast as I can. Huh. This is so cool. Yo, this is cool. Okay, so where was it? Where was it? Oh, right there. Right there. That's so cool. I'm just gonna be flying around like, hello there, little pathetic humans. I am a moderator. They think I'm a mod. Ah, no. Oh, I thought he was just gonna. No! No, 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 no. I keep on falling. Oh, there we go. He's like, oops. Forgot to fly, man. Admins. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Because if he doesn't take my flying power away, I can be like, hello there. I am a moderator. I am an admin. Um. Oh, this guy is cool. Say hi to YouTube. Shout out to him. I'm gonna take Goku Black. When I fly. Oh no. This is cool. This is so amazing. I've never thought this would ever happen. I'm just gonna be like, sup. Oh god. Please don't be like unfly, right? Whenever, and I'll just fly. Sup. This is so overpowered. Please show us how you get it. I'm gonna run away. Run. Oh my gosh, I love life right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, smash the like button for this. Oh my gosh. If you don't keep in mind, this is our. Aw, that sucks. Oh my gosh, you're playing with something. My cats. This is so cool. I kept on trying to get this morph, and I was like, it kept on killing me, and I was like, dang it. Yeah. What's that? Sure. Don't tell anyone this. Facial. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. What? This is so cool. Oh my gosh. He's so sad. He's like, I don't want that. Hit. Cry. I've seen someone like this. Locked. Super Saiyan Blue. Yep. So basically, oh gosh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I swear to God, I'm gonna get banned after this. I'm gonna get banned from this game. See, Super Saiyan Royal Blue. I got the same form as Vegeta. You're no match for me. Do a life on. I think. Do a life form race this, you mean? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Super Saiyan, right? I have a blue and a red effect. I look the best. Whee! What is charge? Oh, I guess it doesn't work. Kaioken times 10. Fly. Oh, I can fly. I can fly. Okay, that's the thing. Let's just keep that on the down low. Oh, whoops. Whoops. Take me with you. Oh my gosh. Neutral. Angry. Smirk. Smile. Blank. Closed eyes. Wink. Blush. No blush. Unblush. That face though. Alright, I think I'll have to end it off here. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more daily content. I know I haven't uploaded for a while, but I've just been taking a break. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And, it's insane how we got this, but, he wants me to show all his forms. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace